Welcome all of you in my channel. Today's video is about how to fix sound recording issue in Windows 10. For that, we have to go search control panel, make small icon, go to troubleshooting, view all, search here recording audio, go to recording audio, open it, and next it will detect the problem. If you have problem, it will give you the list, and after that select next. So my problem was fixed before making this video. It shows troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem because it showed my problem just before it close. Now my sound recording is enabled and microphone is working perfect. Thank you for watching.